What's up, guys? Already I took off the head for the Chevy 010 Z71. It has a misfire. I took off the head right here and right here. It was making noise. I have the problem with cylinder number 8 lifter. I already took it off both of head because I want to do replay for my brother truck. And those ones right here, the misfire and the noise. And they broken the cam and they broken the lifter. There's nothing wrong with it. You see how it's clean? Very clean. This is the problem right here. And I want to take the both of it for the machine shop